How to backup the secure folder to external storage like USB drive or microSD card. Now, if you're going to use the USB drive, you're going to need to get an adapter. So this is the adapter here, USB-C to USB-A. So plug in the adapter to the phone, then we plug in the USB drive. Okay, so once it is connected, tap on the home button at the bottom. Next, we swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down. And here we're going to tap on accounts and backup. After that, tap on external storage transferred. And then tap on USB storage. Now wait for the phone to search for the data. Okay, after that, tap on custom and then tap on next. In here, tap on apps. Tap on the right arrow. In here at the top, deselect the all button, so that will deselect all the options in here. Next, you want to go down and tap on secure folder. Now tap on the right arrow next to secure folder. And here you can go down the list and select the items that you want to backup. If you want to backup everything, then just simply select the all button at the top. Otherwise, you can choose what to backup. So for example, I can choose to backup my Samsung Note in the secure folder and images, then tap on done. Okay, after that, tap on done again, and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on backup, then tap on next. And here it will backup my data to my USB drive. Here's the data backed up and encrypted using your Samsung account. Tap on OK to finished. And that's it. Now it is going to perform the backup. After that, if you need to restore the data, all you have to do is simply plug the USB drive back into the phone, and then you can tap on the restore button. Here, tap on next, then tap on done. So we're all done now. So when you need to restore your data, you can go back in here. So tap on external storage transferred, then it's a restore from, and then select your USB storage, and then select what you want to restore. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.